Under what circumstances will a court invalidate a testamentary provision because it violates public policy? We explore that question in Estate of Feinberg. Max and Erla Feinberg were Jewish. They had 2 children, Michael and Leila, and 5 grandchildren. Max's will provided that the contents of his estate were to pour over into a trust at his death. Erla was the lifetime beneficiary of the trust. Upon Erla's death, 50% of the trust assets were to be held in trust for the benefit of the Feinbergs' living grandchildren. If any of the grandchildren married outside the Jewish faith and his or her spouse didn't convert to Judaism within 1 year, however, that grandchild was deemed deceased as of the date of their marriage. That grandchild's share would revert to Michael or Leila. Max granted Erla a power of appointment over the trust. Erla exercised that power and changed Max's distribution scheme. Erla directed that, upon her death, each of her children and any grandchild who wasn't deemed deceased under the beneficiary restriction clause would receive $250,000. When Erla died, all 5 grandchildren had been married for over a year. 4 of them, including Michelle Trull, had married outside the Jewish faith. None of their spouses had converted to Judaism. Michelle challenged the beneficiary restriction on the grounds that it violated public policy. The trial court ruled in Michelle's favor. The appellate court affirmed. Michael, as the co-executor of his parents' estates, appealed to the Illinois Supreme Court.